Stand by na po dispatch. And they're on their way. Wondrous Wayne draws for your lead. Iwo Jima. Moving up by the rail, Divine Wisdom, Chekong's best. Then comes Nash, followed by Arangke. Next in line, running on the outside is Townsend. By the rail is Bowerine and trailing the group. Is entry number 5, Devoted Minstrel. Last they rounded the last 450. Iwo Jima. Nash moving up on the outside. Chekong's best in between runners. Wondrous Wind running by the rail. Divine Wisdom as they turn for home. Iwo Jima still leading the field. Running on the outside. Nash in between runners. Chekong's best. Divine Wisdom down on the inside. And down the stretch and leading the finish line. Nash running on the outside by the rail. Chekong's best. With the last 50 meters, it's going to be Nash over Chekong's best. Devoted Minstrel 3A Arangke. Then comes number 2 Townsend.